The year is 2049 and the world is unlike anything we've ever imagined. From full AI human integration to harnessing the energy of stars, technology has taken us to the next stage of evolution. Get ready to explore the most mind-blowing tech innovations shaping our future. First up, AI-human symbiosis, the ultimate upgrade. Imagine a world where brain-computer interfaces allow us to think faster, communicate telepathically, and control technology with just our minds. We are no longer just humans, we are something more. Next, let's talk about the first Dyson swarm. Scientists have deployed a massive swarm of solar satellites orbiting the sun, harvesting limitless energy and beaming it back to Earth. Energy scarcity? A thing of the past. Now warp-drive space travel. Forget slow space travel. In 2049, warp drives let us travel light years in mere hours. The age of interstellar exploration has begun. And then, there's artificial consciousness. AI is no longer just a tool, it now has self-awareness. We've created digital beings with emotions, thoughts, and creativity. Welcome to the rise of digital life. Terraforming planets is another game changer. Mars and other planets are being transformed into habitable environments with breathable air and water. We're creating a second Earth. Ever thought about digital immortality? In 2049, mind uploading lets people transfer their consciousness into the digital world. It's a new form of existence beyond the physical body. How about self-healing humans? Nanotechnology now allows our cells to regenerate automatically, aging and diseases gone forever. Finally, the quantum internet. This tech allows instant, unhackable global communication. Say goodbye to traditional internet and hello to instant connectivity. So welcome to the future. The question remains, will humans control technology or will technology control us? What do you think? Which of these futuristic breakthroughs excites you the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the future.